Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving into the ultimate solution for seamless digital banking. We're talking about setting up and really mastering Zelle right inside your Truist account. I am so excited to guide you through this because we're going to take all the guesswork out of digital payments. Whether you're a complete novice or just looking to optimize how you manage your money, this guide is designed to get you up and running with total confidence. Let's get right into it.
So, we've all felt the pain of waiting for funds, right? You go out to dinner with friends, the bill comes, and suddenly it's a massive math equation. Or maybe you run a small business and you're stuck waiting 3 to 5 agonizing business days for a client's check to finally clear just so you can buy supplies. It's frustrating. But what if your money could move at the speed of a text message? Well, that is exactly the problem we're solving today.
To give you total confidence, we're following a super clear 6-step agenda today. We'll start with meeting Zelle at Truist, then go over your setup checklist and walk through step-by-step activation. After that, we'll cover sending and receiving money, go through some tips and troubleshooting, and finally wrap up with staying safe and secure. All right, moving right along to Section 1, Meet Zelle at Truist, the future of fast, seamless payments. Let's see how perfectly this network integrates with your banking experience.
Now, what's really interesting here is how Zelle is defined. It's not just some third-party app holding your money in a random digital wallet. It's actually a direct, highly secure bridge between banking institutions. It's embedded directly within over 2,400 banks and credit unions across the country, absolutely including Truist. So you aren't sending money to a holding account, you're moving funds directly from your Truist account straight to your recipient's bank account.
And this brings us to the core benefit of the whole platform, speed. Once both parties are enrolled, your funds don't take days to clear. When you hit send, the recipient typically sees that money in their account in literally minutes. It is a total game changer for how you pay friends, family, or even your vendors. Okay, on to Section 2, your setup checklist, getting ready to roll. Before we start the engine and get everything linked up, let's look at the simple prerequisites you're going to need. So the crucial takeaway here is that the barrier to entry is incredibly low. If you have an active Truist checking your savings account, like, say, a Truist One checking account, along with a functioning U.S. mobile number or email address, and access to the Truist online portal or mobile app, well, you're entirely ready to begin. And the real beauty of this? The security is already layered in by Truist Advanced Encryption, meaning your information is protected with the exact same technology that keeps your main bank account safe.
Next up, Section 3, step-by-step activation, linking your account in seconds. With our checklist fully complete, let's walk through the exact activation process right on your device. You can totally follow along with this right now if you've got your phone handy.
It is remarkably simple to set up. You just log into your Truist app. From the main menu, you locate the Transfer and Pay section and opt in to Send Money with Zelle. From there, you just select the U.S. mobile number or email address that you want to link. Truist is then going to send you a one-time passcode to that number or email. You punch that code in to securely verify your identity, accept the standard terms and conditions, and boom! Just like that, your account is linked and ready to go. Moving on to Section 4, sending and receiving money, moving your money in the real world. Now that you're an active user, let's explore how you actually move those funds for both your personal life and your business. The Zelle platform is incredibly versatile. For personal use, you can rely entirely on standard contact info. Just grab your friend's phone number right from your contacts list. Easy, right? But if you're a small business owner using a Truist business account, you can really step it up. You can create a custom Zelle tag, which is a unique 6 to 40 character identifier, kind of like a username, so you don't even have to give out your personal cell number. Plus, you can generate a unique Zelle QR code right inside the Truist app. You can print it out, email it, or literally let customers scan it directly off your phone screen to pay you instantly. To actually send the funds, the process is incredibly streamlined. You just select a trusted recipient, punch in the exact amount you want to send, and add a quick note if you want to remember what it was for. Now, step 3 is the absolute most important. Carefully review the display name that pops up on the screen to ensure accuracy. If you're sending money to someone brand new, verify that the name matches exactly who you intend to pay. Once you confirm that, you can confidently hit send. All right, Section 5, tips and troubleshooting, navigating limits and avoiding pitfalls. Let's cover some practical tips and vital system details to keep your digital banking experience incredibly smooth, because understanding the parameters of your account is absolutely key to mastering it. So let's break down the standard Truist parameters. For personal accounts, Truist generally provides a very generous $2,000 daily send limit and a $10,000 rolling 30-day limit.
all with absolutely zero fees to send or receive. For small business accounts, sending limits can vary dynamically based on your specific account history. And while sending money is completely free for businesses, receiving payments does incur a minimal 1% fee from Truist. But what's really great here is that this fee is smartly capped at a maximum of just $15 per transaction. Now, here is a vital troubleshooting tip to remember, and honestly, this is a big one. Because the transfer is nearly instant, you cannot cancel a payment once it's sent if the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle. It's not like a credit card charge that you can just easily dispute. If you make a mistake and send money to the wrong person, you need to call Truist customer care at 844-4-TRUIST immediately to see what options might be available, though recovery is never totally guaranteed. So always triple check your recipient's details.
And that brings us to Section 6, Staying Safe and Secure, Protecting Your Funds from Fraud. This is our final and undeniably most critical section of this explainer, keeping your hard-earned money safe.
If you take away anything from this entire explainer, please let it be this powerful mantra directly from Truist's own security guidelines. Treat every single digital transfer exactly as if you were handing someone physical bills. I mean, you wouldn't hand a $100 bill to a total stranger on the street who promised to mail you a concert ticket later, right? So you definitely shouldn't use Zelle for potentially high-risk transactions with people you don't know. Reserve it for friends, family, and businesses that you deeply trust. I also want you to be highly vigilant against a specific tactic called the pay yourself scam. Here's how this one works. Scammers will send you a text message that looks exactly like a legitimate bank fraud alert. If you reply, they call you pretending to be a bank rep. They'll claim they need to stop a fraudulent transfer by having you quote-unquote pay yourself, and they'll ask you to read back a one-time passcode sent to your phone. In reality, they are using that very passcode to link their bank account to your Zelle profile. You can defend yourself by following these core rules. Number 1, treat Zelle like cash. Always verify display names, and critically, never ever share your one-time passcodes with anyone. Not even someone claiming to be from Truist. The bank is never going to ask you to send money to yourself. If you ever receive a suspicious call, literally just hang up the phone. Dial the official Truist support number on the back of your debit card or 844-4-TRUIST to report it and ensure your account is completely secure. So are you ready to embrace the incredible convenience of Zelle? I'm telling you, once you start moving money in minutes, it really is hard to go back to the old way of doing things. Just keep in mind to always verify any limit updates or process changes directly with Truist, as financial platforms are always evolving, and consulting a financial advisor is always a good move. Let us know in the comments below, what other digital banking tools or features would you like us to break down in our next explainer? Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay secure out there and happy banking.